Hi, Tom here, and welcome to this week's Circle Line Art School video, how to draw some modern buildings in two-point perspective. The first step is to draw a horizontal line across your page towards the bottom of the page. Next, we can add a vanishing point to the right and left-hand side of our horizontal line. The horizontal line is the height of the eye of the viewer. Now we can draw a vertical line near the center of the middle of the page. Next, we can use the vanishing point on the right to draw our first two diagonal lines. As I'm using a pen in this drawing, I'll be letting the lines sort of peter out as they go towards the vanishing point. Now, if we draw another vertical line, we have got a rectangle in perspective, looking at the side of a rectangle so it's distorted. This will be the side of one of the buildings. If we draw another vertical line, we can repeat this process, but this time we can use the vanishing point on the left, and parallel lines going away from us towards the horizon will meet at the vanishing points. So all diagonal lines will go away towards these two vanishing points. And now we can repeat this again, but this time going to the right vanishing point. So we get a sort of concertinaed structure of walls going to the left and walls going to the right. When we use the right vanishing point, we make the wall go towards the right, and when we use the left vanishing point, it will make the wall of the building go towards the left. We don't want the walls to go back too far, not all the way to the horizon. A long road, for example, that would go all the way to the horizon. But buildings are never that long. They're never as long as a road. So we want to stop these walls with vertical lines. Now, in this drawing, all vertical lines need to stay vertical and parallel with each other and to the vertical edge of your paper, so they're all in a row. Once we have the central structure to our buildings, the central part of the drawing, we can just add more shapes in exactly the same way for the rest of the drawing. Thank you very much for watching this video. I post a new drawing tutorial every Saturday. Please subscribe to Circle Line Art School to learn more. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.